Hey everyone, and today we're diving deep into the world of action cameras with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now, Insta360 has been making waves in the 360-degree camera space for a while, but they've really outdone themselves this time. This isn't just another action camera, it's a statement. They teamed up with Leica, the legendary camera maker, to co-engineer this beast. You know Leica means business when it comes to optics and image quality. Right off the bat, you can feel the premium build and attention to detail. The Ace Pro 2 is sleek, it's robust, and it's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. But what really sets this camera apart is what's under the hood. We're talking about groundbreaking features that redefine what an action camera can do. From insane 8K resolution to next-level stabilization, this camera is packed with innovation. We're going to break down all the key features, compare it to the competition, and most importantly, see how it performs in the real world. So buckle up and get ready for an epic ride as we explore the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Let's talk image quality, because that's where the Ace Pro 2 truly shines. This camera can capture stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second. That's right, 8K. The level of detail and clarity is mind-blowing. You can also shoot in 4K at up to 120 frames per second for those epic slow-motion shots. And don't even get me started on the 50-megapixel photos. But resolution is only half the story. Insta360 has packed not one, but two AI processors into this tiny camera. That means you get incredible image processing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The low-light performance is seriously impressive, with less noise and more detail in your shots. And if you're filming in windy conditions, you know how annoying that audio can be. The Ace Pro 2 has got you covered with its advanced wind reduction technology. Your audio will sound crisp and clear, no matter how hard the wind is blowing. Now, an action camera is only as good as its design and durability. And let me tell you, the Ace Pro 2 doesn't disappoint. It's built tough, with a rugged, waterproof design that can withstand drops, bumps, and even a dip in the water. You can take this camera with you on any adventure, from surfing to snowboarding, without worry. One of the coolest features has to be the new flip-up touchscreen display. It's super convenient for framing your shots, especially when you're vlogging or taking selfies. And speaking of convenience, the Ace Pro 2 comes bundled with 2 batteries, so you can keep shooting all day long. They've also improved the mounting system, making it even easier and more secure to attach the camera to helmets, handlebars, or anything else you can think of. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Ace Pro 2 is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive to use. Section 4. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 versus GoPro Hero 13 Black. Of course, we can't talk about action cameras without mentioning the elephant in the room. GoPro. The Hero 13 Black is a fantastic camera, no doubt, but the Ace Pro 2 really steps up the game in a few key areas. First off, the 8K resolution. GoPro's top model maxes out at 5.3K. For creators who demand the absolute highest resolution, the Ace Pro 2 is the clear winner. Then there's the low-light performance, which is noticeably better on the Ace Pro 2, thanks to those dual AI chips. And let's not forget the innovative features like the flip-up screen, which GoPro still doesn't offer. Don't get me wrong, the GoPro is still a solid choice, but the Ace Pro 2 just pushes the boundaries of what's possible in an action camera. Section 5. My take. Is the Ace Pro 2 right for you? So after putting the Ace Pro 2 through its paces, I have to say I'm blown away. This camera is a game changer. The image quality is exceptional. The stabilization is rock solid, and the design is both durable and user-friendly. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adrenaline junkie, or just someone who wants to capture life's adventures in stunning detail, the Ace Pro 2 has something to offer. The 8K resolution is future-proof. The low-light performance is clutch. and the overall user experience is top-notch. It's clear that Insta360 has poured their heart and soul into this camera, and it shows. So, is the Ace Pro 2 your next action camera? Only you can decide that. But if you're looking for the absolute best in terms of image quality, performance, and innovation, then look no further. This is it.